बेटा रुके रहना। पीछे अपना अंकित बाबू तुम।
Our chief guest for today, Mrs. Khushbu ma'am. Please give her a huge round of applause. About done. Right the left, forward march.
Light is a powerful symbol of truth.
Thank you. Prepared and brought out just for
give them a huge round of applause. The title of the students are Akhil as Master Cooperative in the skill of caring. The title of Anshika Kashyap is an awesome writer for everything. The title of Aradhya Gautam is Drama Queen for the skill of acting. And for Vishesh Dikshit, he is the dreamer in the skill of solving problems.
I request the parents to come on the stage. I request the parents of these students, please come on the stage.
Dainik Prajapati is the most for his discipline. Divyanshi is the fashion expert for her fashion. Kashya Grahari is a chatterbox for bringing wealth. Krish is the enthusiastic kid. Saini is the cute boy for dancing. Vinayak Patel is master manners for his category in sports. And Narayan is the leader for his highest attendance. Give them a huge round of applause, please.
तू होगी बात
Siddharth has a positive attitude.
जरूर आइए। ये वो मौका है जिसका आप साल भर से वेट करते हैं। यू ऑल वेट फॉर इट।
नमस्कार, मैं अपना परिचय देना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं इस विद्यालय का प्रबंधक हूँ, को फाउंडर हूँ। मेरा नाम मयूर गुप्ता है, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ RS इंग्लिश एकेडमी। वैसे आप सब लोगों के बीच में मैं इसी शहर में पला बड़ा हूँ। इस शहर की सारी जोग्राफिकल और सोशल कंडीशन से बहुत अच्छी तरीके वाकिफ हूँ। और विद्यालय खोलने के समय आज लग रहा है कि सन 2012 में मैंने पहली ब्रांच बनाई थी और आज 2016 में दूसरी ब्रांच। आज 13 साल हम लोगों को कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं। इसकी आप सभी लोगों को शुभकामनाएं और आप सभी लोगों के सहयोग से ही हम लोग ये सब कर पाए। प्रतिज्ञा हमारी एकेडमिक्स को लेकर के बहुत हाई है, लेकिन उसके पहले हमने हमेशा और हमारे व्यू में रहा है कि सबसे पहले एक अच्छा सिटीजन तैयार करना है। एक बेहतर नागरिक तैयार जब होगा, जो वो सोशली साउंड होगा, सोशली और मॉरली दोनों तरीके से जब वो साउंड होगा तो एकेडमिक्स अपने आप बूस्ट होगा। तो आपसे भी मेरा अनुरोध है कि बच्चों को सोशली और मॉरली साउंड करने में उनकी हेल्प करें। एकेडमिक विल कैरी उसके पीछे पीछे आएगा। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Within 7 years they have prepared all these और इतने छोटे बच्चों को सिखाना ही बहुत अधिक।
इन बच्चों के लिए he is awarded for excellence in learning and titled as awesome rider. तो इनके लिए तालियां तो बनती हैं।
She is awarded for excellence in sharing and caring, and she is titled as the Chatterbox.
पेरेंट्स, अगर आप यहाँ पर हैं तो प्लीज अपने बच्चों के साथ स्टेज में आइए। For his excellence in problem solving and his title is Shining Star. Dhyanush Srivastava, he is awarded for his excellence in story narration and titled as Master Man. Congratulations to the
Ritika Singh is awarded for excellence in fashion, and she is titled as Fashion Expert.
they decided to settle the argument with a race. The tortoise and rabbit both agreed on a route and started off the race. The rabbit shot ahead and ran briskly for some time. Then, seeing that he was far ahead of the tortoise, he thought he had sit under a tree for some time and relaxed before continuing the race. He sat under the tree and soon fell asleep. The tortoise plodding on overtook him and soon finished the race. Emerging as the undisputed champ, the rabbit woke up and realized that he had lost the race. Is that slow and steady wins the race. This is the version of the story that we have, but our version of story. Part 2. The rabbit was disappointed at losing the race and he did something. He realized that he had lost the race only because he had been overconfident, careless and lax. If he had not taken things for granted, there is no way the tortoise could have beaten him. So he challenged the tortoise to another race. The tortoise agreed. This time the rabbit went all out and ran without stopping from start to finish. He won by several miles. The moral of the story is fast and consistent will always beat and slow and steady. But the story doesn't end in here. The tortoise did some thinking this time and realized that there is no way he can beat the rabbit in a race. The way it was currently formatted. He thought for a while and then challenged the rabbit to another race, but on a slightly different route. The rabbit agreed. The tortoise and the rabbit started off. In keeping with his self-made commitment, at top speed until it came to a broad river. The finishing line was a couple of kilometers on the other side of the river. The rabbit sat there wondering what to do. In the meantime, the tortoise trundled along, got into the river, swam to the opposite bank, continued walking and finished the race. The moral of the story is, first identify your core competency and then change the playing field to suit your core competency. The story still hasn't ended.
वो जैसे कहते हैं ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, तो थोड़ा सा पेशेंस करिए इस आने वाली पिक्चर.
Some pretty good friends, and they did some thinking together. Both realized that the last race could have been run much better. So the tortoise and rabbit took the last race again, but to run as a team this time. They started off, and this time the rabbit carried the tortoise till the river bank. The tortoise and swam across with the rabbit on his back. On the opposite bank, the rabbit again carried the tortoise, and they reached the finishing line together. Both the tortoise and rabbit felt a greater. The moral of the story is, it is good to be individually brilliant and to have always be situations in which you will do poorly and someone else does well. Teamwork is mainly about situational leadership, letting the person with the relevant core competency for a situation take leadership. Thank you.
Tanishka Gupta, which is awarded for her excellence in dressing well and titled as Impossible Learner. Vasudha Singh, he is awarded for his excellence in sharing and caring with the title Sincere. Vidhan Gupta, he is awarded for his excellence in behavior and titled as Facious and titled as Kind Classmate. And a proud parent too. हर पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे का सबसे पहला शिक्षक होता है। वो अपने सपने अपने बच्चों के थ्रू पूरा करता है। लेकिन जब आपका बच्चा यहाँ पर खड़ा है, अपने सपने आपके सपने को पूरे कर रहा है, तो उसका हौसला बढ़ाना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। तो प्लीज तालियों के साथ उसका हौसला बढ़ाइए और उसे इसी तरह has titled as Perfect Partner. इतने खुशी भरे मौके में इतनी शांति छा नहीं रही है। इतने खुशी भरे मौके में इतनी शांति Excellence in Learning and titled as Best Just Boy. Arush Yadav is titled as Super Behavior and awarded for his excellence in reading. Arya Patel is awarded for her excellence.
Go on, let's begin. be the sweetest performance ever. Thank you so much.
It's a new generation. It's worldwide. Of party people. Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. It's the truth. I'm like Inception. I bet you want it, those people smooth. I don't pay no bills, so don't get confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and make it up like a Tonka truck. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Keep your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running shit tonight on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got that, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need color, we'll take my fun tonight. Baby, I don't need color, we'll take my fun tonight. I don't need no money, as long as I can feel love. I don't need no money, as long as I can dance. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got
What an electrifying performance. That was great coordination and energy. Thank you so much, Molly.
For his excellence in solving problems and titled as Positive Attitude. Dhruv Pratap Singh, he is awarded for his excellence in acting and titled as Kindness Singh. Dipanshu, he is awarded for his excellence in English handwriting and titled as Mr. Manners. Fatima Khan, she is awarded for her talent in excellence in aptitude and titled as Perfectly Patient. And at the end, Gaurav Tiwari, highest attendance and titled as Storyteller.
Please give them a big round of applause.
Let me repeat it again for you all. Anand Kumar is awarded for his excellence in hearing and titled as Lovely Listener. Ayan Yadav is awarded for his excellence in solving problems and titled as Positive Attitude. Dhruv Pratap Singh is awarded for his excellence in acting and titled as Kindness Singh. While Dipanshu is awarded for his excellence in English handwriting and titled as Mr. Manners. Fatima Khan, she is awarded for her excellence in aptitude and titled as Perfectly Patient. Gaurav Tiwari, he is awarded for his highest attendance and titled as Storyteller.
Rudransh Tiwari is awarded for excellence in sports and is titled as Flexible Thinker. Rudra Pratap Singh is awarded for excellence in sports and is titled as Excellent Speaker. Please give them a big round of applause.
Moving towards group 22, I would like to call awarded for her excellence in English handwriting and titled as the Fitness Freak Girl.
Vibhu Verma is awarded for excellence in learning and is titled as Prince Charming. Viraj Gupta is awarded for excellence in English handwriting and is titled as Biggest Heart. Yash is awarded for excellence in sports and is titled as Sweetest Soul. Yuvan is awarded for excellence in leadership and is titled as Helping Fellow. Please give them a big round of applause.
Iतना मुश्किल है इनको समझाना
थे। लाख से जूते पड़े, नक्शा बदल गया, मैं खुद भी हो गया साइलेंट बोर्ड पर। कितना मुश्किल है इनको समझाना, कितना मुश्किल है इनको समझाना। मेरा दुश्मन है जाने क्यों ज़माना, दुश्मन है जाने क्यों ज़माना। वरना के बहाना मम्मी को सेल्फी बनाना, फीवर सेल्फी का हमको है बताना। होगा डैडी को पीटीएम में आना, कितना मुश्किल है इनको समझाना। मेरा दुश्मन है जाने क्यों ज़माना।
स्टूडेंट लाइफ के डर और जितने भी हम लोग को
देखा ना वो हिल रहा है।
नमस्कार, मैं जानता हूँ कि प्रोग्राम का एंड है, एंड ऑफ द प्रोग्राम। I take an opportunity to thank all my parents who have spared their valuable time to come here. ये सारी preparations जो बच्चों ने की थी, these all things were done in a just duration of 7 days, and I thank all my teachers, the volunteers and the squad which was present here, the PGTs, PRTs, TGs, everyone was involved. Special thanks to the staff present here at Ramashama Marriage Hall and the event courtesy that was done by Mukul sir. For that, I will take opportunity to thank Khushbu ma'am who was present here for the felicitation ceremony. And parents का special thanks इसलिए क्योंकि आपने इतना टाइम दिया है और ये इवेंट आपके लिए स्पेशली प्री प्राइमरी के लिए हम लोगों ने अलग से किया था। छोटे बच्चे होते हैं and we require them a separate time, तो इनके इवेंट्स जो है हम आगे से अलग ही करेंगे। So once again thank you all of you and I request all the parents, आप अपने बच्चों को इस बैकस्टेज से ले सकते हैं। अगर किसी तरह की क्वेरीज हो तो टीचर से आपसे कांटेक्ट करके दूर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
पकड़ी रहो, वो भी सीधा करो।
Very nice. I'm satisfied.
आपको हमारे का फंक्शन कैसा लगा? चलिए आपसे दोबारा
Oliver here.
Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations to all the thank you very much.
वेट करना, कल जब हो जा बताना।